How to activate Siri or Hey Siri on iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Siri option you see there. Further, tap on the Talk to Siri option you see there, and further, in this particular interface, go ahead and select the Hey Siri or Hey Siri option you see there if it is selected to off. So once you tap on Hey Siri, you will be required to set up your Siri in order to help Siri recognize your voice whenever you say Hey Siri. So tap on the continue button you see there, and further go ahead and read all the phrases shown on the screen in order to enable Siri, and once done, iPhone will listen for Hey Siri at the beginning of request, and once you are talking to Siri, you can add another request without saying Hey Siri again. So you can simply say Hey Siri and then go ahead and set a command such as Hey Siri, start the timer for me, and Siri will enable timer. So this was about how you can activate Siri or Hey Siri on iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.